Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of changing your country on the App Store, ensuring a seamless transition to your desired location. Let's dive into the steps. Begin by launching the App Store on your mobile device. Locate and click on the account icon positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Once in your account settings, click on your name and email address to access the detailed account information. Within this section, find and select Country and Region to proceed with the changes. Now, on the next page, click on Change Country or Region. A list of supported countries will be displayed. Choose the country you wish to change to by clicking on it. Moving forward, you'll encounter the terms and conditions. Click on Agree to proceed. In the following section, input the necessary details as prompted. Once you've entered your information, click on Next to complete the process. Your App Store is now successfully updated with the new country settings. By following these steps, you've ensured that your App Store reflects the desired country, allowing you access to region-specific apps and content. I trust this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any further questions or if there's anything else you'd like assistance with, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for watching.